Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have been trading bullish so far for the day. We have seen higher highs in US30 and US100, where US100 has seen 15,860, while US30 has also moved beyond 35,050 and has achieved 35,065 levels. Now, what to expect for Nasdaq 100 and Dow? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited already. Thus, in order to get the live updates, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, or do like, share and comment as well. Let's start first to look into hourly charts for Tech 100. You see, Tech 100 on the hourly charts has been, after this drop, it is just trading in this retracement channel, and this is still a retracement, not a reversal here. Yes, if it breaks on the downside below 15,800 levels, you can say further bearishness may prevail, which can take it till towards 15,750 levels, and below 750 is where the bears will take over. So I do still see this as a retracement, not a reversal, because it is preceded by a sharper rise, sharper drop. Now, where we can consider that it is reversed, if the prices stays beyond 15,900, 920 zone, you can say Tech 100 has reversed. Now, can it go beyond those levels? Now, if you look at the hourly chart, see there is a downward pressure here, all the candles getting a downward pressure, and on the downside there is a very strong support coming in from the 20 period moving average. Thus, once the prices stays below 15,820 or 800 levels, you can say that it has turned bearish, and we can expect further drop. Specifically below 15,820, we can initiate a selling entry. However, it has to be with extreme caution, because 820, 800, 780, 750 levels are the greater support levels on the downside. And once it drops below 15,750, 760 zone, you can say that a major drop can be expected here in Tech 100. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is almost staying flat without any divergence. RSI is flat as well. Coming to 2-hour chart. Now, on the 2-hour charts, look at the preceding candles, lower highs, higher lows, and thus wait for it to break out. Now, a breakout above 15,870, 880 levels is where the bulls will try to take over. I'll wait for this to stay above 15,870, 880 zone in order to confirm further rise, and specifically beyond 15,920, we can say that it has turned bullish, as it is retracing here, and a drop below 15,800 is where the bears will be taking over. The stochastic has dropped. MACD has also seen a drop here. RSI is staying flat almost. Coming to 3-hour. Now, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see, it has formed a base, then it has retraced. It is still not willing to rise, and neither it is willing to drop. It is just staying within the zone. Now, below 15,820, 800 is where the bears will try to take over. Yes, below those levels, just stay short in Tech 100. At the same time, on the upside, 15,870, 880 is the level beyond which you can say it will again try to rise here. MACD, see, moving averages are trading with extreme divergence. It must converge at some point of time. Today, it is not showing any signs, but it will try to do so. Stochastic overbought here, trying to cool down a bit. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is trading flat near to overbought zone. Coming to 4-hour. Now, if you look at the 4-hour charts, yes, after the drop, it is just retracing. See, the slope here is almost flat. Thus, a breakout below those levels certainly can be expected, but right now it is not showing any signs. It is still staying bullish with yielding higher lows, higher highs. Thus, wait for it to stay below 15,820 levels, and then specifically below 760, 750 in order to confirm further drop. The stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bearish. It is crossed over at the top here. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the day. Now, before we look into the daily charts and I give you the verdict, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 27th batch starts on 20th of November, couple of days later from now, that is coming Monday. And after this, the next batch is going to be only after a couple of months. Thus, register for this batch. Do not miss this opportunity to equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. Or you can register by visiting my platform forexfunda.com. Here on the front page, you will find the details related to the, if you click on this tab, you can find the details related to the training, the curriculum, the timings, the fees structure, and yes, you can pay there and book your seats now itself. Also, you can register for my upcoming webinar where we are going to discuss the weekly insights for the upcoming week of the markets. This is going to be this coming Sunday. And yes, this platform has much more to offer. The breaking news, training stories is already there. Yes, you can also search for the economic calendar where you can get the live data from across markets. And yes, the charts where you can find out your favorite instrument, do the charting, do the analysis. You can also schedule a call with me if you want any guidance. And yes, In order to get the discussion on, you can go to the forums, find the summary of the videos, find the summary of the analysis, and also you can initiate a discussion with the traders there. Thus visit the platform forexfunda.com. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel here. Now coming to the daily chart, see on the daily charts, one important factor today is, see, one bullish candle, couple of retracement candle, and this candle is trying to rise. Now where it can be considered bullish, see, once it stays beyond, because see, higher highs, higher lows, 880, 920, 15, 880, 920 is the zone. It has to stay above these levels. If Nasdaq 100 stays above 15,889.20 zone, we can say that the bulls are taking over, and then we are looking forward to 16,000, and in fact 16,000 plus levels are also possible. Equal size of candle can be expected. Now see what has happened here: one rise, couple of retracement, one rise, couple of retracement, and if it gives a breakout, certainly more bullish momentum is going to prevail. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought here on the daily chart. I recommend you to buy Nasdaq 100 at 15,870, expect 15,900, 920 levels as the first target, then 960, and then 16,000 levels should get achieved. On the downside, I recommend you to sell at 15,820 levels, below which you can expect 15,800, 780, 760 levels as the support levels. Below 760, 750 is where the bears will be taking over. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. Now see, US30 on the hourly charts, you can say staying bullish, taking the support from the 20 period moving average. 35,000, 34,950 levels are the support levels. Below 34,950 is where the bears will take over, and rather I will say 930 levels is below where bears will be taking over towards 900 and 800 zone. Right now it is still yielding higher lows, higher highs. It has already achieved the near term highs here, so we have to watch out. Right now also, if you look at it, is forming the base here at 35,030 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI looking upwards and staying bullish. Coming to 2-hour chart, see on the 2-hour charts likewise it is yielding bullish candle, but look at the preceding candle. It has a bigger wick and a very small body, suggestive that there was a downward pressure. Now this candle, where it takes, is going to be the decisive factor. Possibly beyond, see, already staying beyond 35,050 levels. Now beyond this we can look forward to 35,150 levels as well, possibility exists. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a buy. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour, yes, it is still giving you higher lows, higher highs, trading bullish. I will look forward for it to break past now 35,100 levels, which can be a buying point for us, beyond which we can say that the bulls might try to take over for 140, 150 levels, and beyond this 35,250 can also be expected. Now if you look at the 3-hour chart, see, it is coming out of this box. Highs and the lows are done. I will wait if it tries to retrace from here towards 35,900, 34,950, 900 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD is bearish here. It is looking downwards. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone, and it is again trying to enter into the same zone. Coming to the 4-hour charts now. On the 4-hour charts, taking the support at 950, it is trying to rise. First bullish candle, second bullish candle can be a breakout candle. Thus, beyond 35,100 levels, we can look forward to a further rise towards 35,140, 150 as the first target, and then 35,250 can also be seen here. If you look at the prices converge towards the 20 period moving average, again trying to diverge. Now only sell entry I will recommend is below 34,950 levels here. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD is divergent and bearish. See, MACD has crossed over here and it is looking downwards. It is suggestive of bearishness. RSI overbought. Coming to the now look at the daily charts. The preceding candle was a swing candle. This candle can again be a swing candle. It has opened with a flat note, thus it has to form a tail, and if it does form a tail, 34,900 should be a greater support zone. Thus, as I said, below 34,950 we can initiate a selling position. As long as 34,950 is respected, we are not going to treat US30 as bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought here as well. Thus, looking at this, I recommend you to buy today only about 35,100 levels, beyond which we can say 35,140, 150 as the first target, and then 35,250 levels to be seen. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 34,950 levels, below which you can say 900 and 800 levels are the next target. See, 900, 870, or rather I'll say 900, 850 and 800, these are the three targets. Below 800 is where the bears will be taking over. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Join my free Telegram channel. Join my webinar. Reach out to me for any of your training related queries. For trading related queries, you can book a call with me by visiting the platform forexfunda.com. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.